again. This is Michael Beach with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I want to give you 3 pointers today on leadership. First one comes from a great book called Amp It Up by Frank Slootman. Frank says in that book that you want to hire and be yourself a driver, not a passenger. Never hire passengers because they just come along for the ride. Hire drivers and teach everybody on your team to be a driver. Second pointer I would give you is this: you've got to pick up the pace. The competition is fierce these days, and if you're not moving at close to your capacity, then your competition's probably gaining on you, and they might even be passing you. Third pointer is this: if you want to be a great leader, you've got to provide context to the people around you for everything that you're doing. Emphasize not just what we're doing, but more importantly, why. That'll lead to great leadership. See you next time.